Someone tell me, where are my laugh lines? Tell me now. I want to know now. Ooh. I've dropped it and it's smashed. It's nice and buttery. Let me change my camera because my camera's about to die. Look at this. No. Let me zoom out. I really like, let me zoom out a bit more. I've had enough. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be filming full face of XX Revolution. Is by the owners of Makeup Revolution, and it's meant to be a makeup brand that kind of meets with skincare. Like the way the packaging comes and stuff, it looks like, you know, it's got that high-end feel to it. Yeah, hopefully we can see whether it's worth the buy. So, you know, I'm trying it so you don't have to. If you would like to see first impressions video of me using Revolution XX or XX Revolution, then please keep on watching. Hydro Quench Bomb Primer, and this is 70% water and aloe vera, and this is what it looks like. It's like a gel. A bit sticky, but it's like drying. So next up I'm going with the VXX or Flex brow pomade in the shade dark brown, and it comes with a little brow brush. You know, I always struggle to get my eyebrows the same, but how can I kill myself with eyebrows? I love the way these have turned out. It's gonna conceal the bottom of my brows. When we do the whole face, I will actually talk about consistency of the concealer and whatnot. Here is the Extravaganza palette. Absolutely massive. You get 60 shades, and I feel like if you're a makeup artist, this will be amazing. So yeah, I'm impressed. I'm gonna try and use as many colors as I can for the purpose of this video. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. You might have seen this on my last Makeup Revolution video where it literally went inside my eye. Eyes are gonna water. Oh my eye. I'm gonna use a brush to just put a little bit on my lid and blend it out. I'm using really bright colours and I want it to show up. So I'm gonna be using this yellow shade for my transition. I'm gonna use a mixture of these 3 greens, which are just matte greens. Gonna go back in with that yellow. The other side, I'm gonna be taking these 3 blues. Gonna try and do like a gradient. I'm gonna go with the lightest. I feel like that was quite dark as well. Using like my brush cleaner from Primark to take some of that dark away. Take this green to darken it a little bit. I feel like that is pretty blended, and I love how pigmented eyeshadow is. I'm gonna go back with that cut crease canvas, and I'm gonna try and do a spotlight cut crease. I'm gonna use this and this. The plan for the other side is to use yellow again, orange, and like red, and then pink underneath here, and then purple underneath there. Yellow again. These two oranges here, and I'm just gonna put it underneath and try to make like a gradient. And I'm gonna go back and forth with those, the yellow and the orange. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker reds. Then I'm going back with that orange and make sure everything mixed well in the middle. I'll just cut my crease as best as I can. The gold mixed with that dark gold, I think. So I'm going to use the dark orange for the inner corner and the dark red for the outer corner. So that is eyeshadow done. Got to use most of the eyeshadows in the palette, which is what I wanted, and I can say pigmented, like I absolutely love. I'm gonna put my lashes on. Today I'm gonna be using the Kate Jovine lashes. I want to show you this amazing packaging. Like, it's a hard case, and when you open it, are you mad? Can you see that? It comes with a mirror. I'm sorry, and all the lashes are named after star signs, so obviously I had to get Cancer because Cancer season. We have a discount code for you guys. My discount code is Queen20, gets you 20% off. So we're gonna go in with the Liquid Skin Foundation, and I got it in the shade FX 16.5. Here is the packaging, like proper high-end packaging. Like, so silk finish longwear liquid foundation, full coverage for flawless complexion. It's infused with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin, which is great for my dry skin. Yeah, I feel like it's dried into like a matte finish, but it's definitely full coverage because you can't see any of like my discoloration. Next up, I'm going with the concealer in the shade CX13, which I also use for my eyebrows. Similar to the bottle, you know, matte with like the shiny top, very chic, very, you know, expensive looking. Conceals and brightens skin, covering blemishes and dark circles and redness. Stretchable formula with no flashback. We love a bit of that. I do feel like this concealer is like the foundation, like it just dries really quickly. You can still blend it out. It's not like it dries and it's not bugging. Really stretchable, like it said. Not gonna lie, I do really like it. But yeah, I'm not gonna cream contour. I'm just gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution face setting powders in the shade Deep Honey and the Deep Dark. But yeah, they didn't have any face setting powders. The only ones I've seen had like shimmer in it. Thought I'll leave it, I'll just use. I'm gonna try not to bake. I'm just gonna literally just set my face. I love these powders, but I hate the packaging. I just feel like you get powder everywhere. Next thing, I'm going with Dimension Complexion palette. It comes with a shimmer blush, matte powder, illuminating highlight, and look at this. Ooh! I've dropped it and it's smashed. Oh my god, I've just smashed the contour. Are you being... I'm gonna cry. Well done, Hope. You smashed the contour. Hope, what have you done? I actually want to cry. This is what the packaging looks like. I can't believe I've done that. So, this is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. Obviously, it could have been a lot prettier. It comes with a shimmer blush, a highlighter, which I feel like is quite dark for a highlighter, and a contour. Contour's on fleek, I'm sorry, but yeah. Nose, but very lightly because it's very dark. I'm gonna use that darker one too. And we're looking kind of crazy, but we're gonna literally blend it out. Gonna use a bit of that blusher. Smile and kind of like drag it up. I've been seeing a lot of people bringing blusher onto their nose, and I think I might just add like the tiniest bit. I'm thinking of putting purple there and pink there. I got this setting spray and it's the Face Fix Moisturizing Fixing Mist. I'm gonna do a bit of setting spray and then pour my highlighter. Ooh, the bottle's well nice as well. No, I can't spray this in my face. Did you see that? Look at this. No. I think this bottle's faulty. Oh, this can't be right. I've just changed out the spray. Yeah, this is how it should be. Dashing at me. I'm gonna use this as a highlighter. This shade. And in my inner corner, I'm just gonna put gold there and silver there. And this is the Extra Gold Strobe Liquid Lip Gloss. I don't think they've had any lipstick. Oh, ooh, this is a proper nice colour. I'm gonna put matte chestnut. And I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss. So, I feel like it's not as glossy as I thought it was gonna be. It's very shimmery, but it's not that... I don't know. No, baby, we're looking kind of cute or whatever. Change my top, and I'm gonna take some of that shimmer, and I'm just gonna put it all over. This is the finished look. I think it's turned out really, really nice. Quickly summarize the products. Eyeshadow palette for me is an absolute yes. I feel like if you're a makeup artist, this will come in so handy. £28 for 60 shadows, and you get a bit of everything. I feel like you honestly, easy to work with and blend, can't go wrong with this one. The primer is pretty good. I feel like my foundation glide on really nicely. Foundation and concealer, I absolutely love it. Like, it literally feels like I've got nothing on. It's just so lightweight. I feel like the lip gloss is okay. I just don't feel like it's glossy enough. Like, I love it when it's like, you know, like dripping in gloss. But would I buy another shade of the lip gloss? Probably not. The palette that I broke, well done, Hope. I love the blusher. The contour is a little bit dark, and the highlight's just too dark for my liking. I prefer like a golden highlight rather than like a dark brown highlight. Yeah, if I had known, I would have bought the lighter one. Setting spray, like, I don't know, there's something wrong with this, but the way it shoots out is not normal. It literally shoots out like a water gun. It's fixed my makeup really nice. Like, this is why I'm so baffled about this makeup. Like, it literally feels like I've got no, I don't know why I'm slapping my face, but it literally feels like I've got nothing on. You know what I've noticed as well? My laugh lines, normally it would have been creasing by now. Now my laugh lines are not even there. The fact that I've got no creases on my face, I have to rate it a 10 out of 10. Because till this day, I've not found a foundation that doesn't crease on me like this. If you watched till the end, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So, bye!